I'm Sanabi, also from Rainbow School, and we've come here for our internship for this one day. And we've gone through all the 4 centers of your trust, the one with the medical cabin, the one for skill development, the school, and this convention center. And it's actually pretty surprising how well everything is done. Like, everything is very good, the infrastructure, and also based on the quality of education. Like, we've seen how much you've scored, like 578 out of 600. So that means you are getting quite good education. Your teachers should be teaching well, you have the opportunities. So you should utilize them to your full potential. You should not stop trying for anything. Every day, if you have a certain goal, you have to try to do little bit every day. Does not matter how big that goal is. You don't think about that. You just try to do little by little every day. Thank you.
Studying in 11th Commerce from Rainbow School. This is a day 2 of our internship program. At first, we started with the black gram processing unit. There we learned how the black gram is processed and how it is dehusked. Then we went to the DSR Trust, where they are providing education, hospitality, skill development center and convection hall services. At last, we saw salt unit, where the salt is processed from the salty water. And we also came to know about the challenges faced by the farmers during the cultivation of the salt from the water. And we are thinking to give the inputs on marketing, branding and cultivation techniques. At last, we are thankful for the Gunaptis members who have helped in our internship program. Overall, it was a very fun experience. Thank you.